guys, Phil G here. So today we are going to weigh. There's the seat, passenger seat, and it's got some of the fur from one side of the driving side. So I need to flip this over. All I did was just do that. That needs to go back in because the floor in the Z is not completely flat, so they use styrofoam to plop that and make it a flat floor for comfortability. But yeah, we're going to measure this and we're going to measure that, but I just noticed this. Crap, gonna have to clean that up. What had happened is I turned my car on and it was in neutral, but because fluid's cold and momentum of fluid, it spun my wheels in the rear. I'm going to have to spray that. I'm going to spray that right now. And I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I just had to clean all that. I just saw brake clean on the floor with some brake fluid. We'll wash that later. Yeah, we're going to get back to scaling this. I'm going to try and do this with one hand. This will be hilarious, hopefully. But let's see. Let's see how much I weigh. Can't see, that says 185.2. All right, let's see if I can pick this sucker up. Oh, there's some trim in here. Throw that on the ground. Oh, crap. All right, the struggle begins. Come on. And it says 228.6. I'll do this again for repeatability. 229.4. And then you say, Phil, why don't you just put this on the scale? Well, I don't want to break the scale. All right. And 229.2. I'm gonna go with 229.2. Let's check my math real quick. All right, guys. So the chair weighs about 44 pounds with all that junk connected to it, and then the glove box. The sound deadening that I removed is about 9 pounds. That is around what I estimated, but I'm still shocked by that. There's still a lot more in there, but in due time we'll get it out. I mean, with all the smaller pieces and it's dark. With all the smaller pieces that's still on the ground there, I'll have to shop vac that out. I'll see if I can weigh that. And then there's still like some under the, like on the tunnel above the gas tank, and we'll see if we can get it out. But 9 pounds for what I just took out. 9 pounds for what I just took out is pretty amazing. And then, you know, for what it is, there's some against the firewall. I don't want to go too far into that. But yeah, got most of it out. Pretty stoked. Trying to run Club TR next season if I can get any tickets. The car is going to try and stay max 3 for SCCA, but we'll see if we can cross over. But yeah, winter projects are doing well. I have not gotten my front brake pads yet. I really want those, but I'm not going to rush anyone. I would like to move this car out of the way of the garage door and have a little bit more room to walk around here. But everything's looking good. I'm thinking about taking the AC out of this since it's going race car anyways, but I need to, again, I need the brakes to move the car. I also need it to be a little bit warmer out so I can take this to a place that they can pull all the Freon in it. You don't want to just like let that in the atmosphere and pollute our atmosphere. I am a meteorologist or atmospheric scientist by degree. Don't do that stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna have to take everything off. The condenser is like 2 to 5 pounds, and then the compressor is actually going to be like, what is it, 20 pounds? So that's another 30 pounds. I know math doesn't math. 25 pounds that I can get off with the lines and whatnot. So I think this thing's gonna go full race car. I might regret it, but hey, I only live once. All right, that's it for now. I'm gonna go sim race because I just signed up for Road Atlanta and I need to practice that track. See you guys.